Welcome back again, Virtual Things. On this channel, I give you guys the latest update on how to make money online through trading, through arbitrage, and through investing. So if you love anyone or any of this topic, you can swear subscribe to this channel, join our community where we share update on how to actually make money online through these topics. Okay, so first of all, right now I'm going to move into the crypto space, and I'm going to actually show you what is the current move of Bitcoin and other coin I have been actually trading on. So currently right now we are seeing a lot of move, and if you can check right now in the market, all the coins are showing red, and whenever I see all this movement, you should actually know that Bitcoin is the head of the master causing this. Okay, so whenever you see this movement, you should actually know that when Bitcoin go down, other coins actually repeat to actually go down. So first of all, we are going to check on for Bitcoin right now, and what is the move coming up on Bitcoin. You can actually see that Bitcoin right now has actually shown a huge bearish angle here, which I talk about on my last video. If you have not watched it, you can go to my last video and where I give the update, right? And if we should be checking out what is the next move that Bitcoin is trying to create, although I have not confirmed this yet, but I think this is what is coming up soon, because currently right now over here is where we have a big support level that can actually shoot Bitcoin up to this price. And if we be checking out this price, we are going to be seeing 25, or let me just approximate it, $26,000 that is actually going to be very bearish on Bitcoin. So not yet confirmed, guys. I've been showing you more update on that. On my last video I talked about Bitcoin, and you can see very right now that Bitcoin is actually experiencing more loss on the 3 days time frame. At least is experiencing a down level on the 3 days time frame, and if we can check on 1 day time frame, we also see Bitcoin going down. So guys, is there a retracement? Is there a retracement? Very, very simple. There will be a retracement on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is not going to fall as far as currently right now. We are seeing that the yellow line, if you want to zoom on the yellow line, you can actually see the yellow line is below the yellow line is below the pink line, and when this happens, we see the market going down. So we can actually see a retracement later in the market when this yellow line have gone beyond this level, making the market to actually crash down to this level before we can actually see a retracement back above this. And when we actually want to confirm a retracement is when the yellow line when the yellow line is below the pink line, is trying to meet the pink line. And when that happens, you should actually know that the yellow line is going above the market, right? Here we are actually going to see the pink line is trying to draw itself, meeting the yellow line. At the course of this diverting, then we can actually say that we are going to retrace back in market, right? But for now, I think that Bitcoin is still going to go down, because I have actually see that the yellow line is below the pink line. So you can see right now the price keep decreasing. The price keep decreasing every moment, right? And let us go and check for the form of BNB. What is the move of BNB? Well, I may actually say that BNB is going to go down, right? I'll be telling you this because I'll not be using my mouth to actually tell you this. I'll be actually telling you this, what I see in the market. What I see is coming up in the market, that you also need to still know what is coming up in the market. And if you actually know, check up right now, we can actually see that the yellow line is trying to downward. Okay, here if we have a big pump here, a very big down move here, right? We have a very big down move here. There's two things that is going to happen, right? There are two things that is going to happen. We are going to see the yellow line crossing this moment, right? And when this happens, we are actually going to see the price of BNB things crashing down more, right? Before we can actually see a reversal. And when we see this reversal, you're going to see the price of BNB drop more in price. So how can I actually know the level that BNB can drop more in price? We can check out the previous market where BNB dropped more in price, which dropped about $265, right? And if I be checking out, I think that will be the level that BNB is going towards to, right? So that's why I sold off some coins for this movement to actually finish before actually buy more coins, right? Once I see the diverting level, then I can actually buy more coins to actually see go to the market. Right now, we have been checking out the price of multicoin, and we can see a previous move of multicoin and what multicoin have actually done so far. So at the time of creating this at the day of creating this video, which is today, we can actually see multicoin was boosting up to a moment of to a price of $5 plus, right, which it was selling at the rate of $3.50 plus, right? And currently right now the price switched down again to $3.85, which you can see present here. So as far as we have this very chance and this very big space here, we are actually, I may likely say, we are actually going to fill up this space, because this is what I see. This is what I see is coming up. We may actually fill up this space. So guys, if I should be talking, is it a good time to actually buy multi-chain? Right now, if we actually check at the price after this price boost up and still regain down movement, we can actually see that at this range here, this is the bottom of this market, which you can currently see here. And if we checking out the price before, we can actually see that anytime it gets to this point, it actually retraces back to the market. So this is the bottom of the market, and I think if we have to buy, we have to buy at this point and actually wait for the price to regain. All right, and if we'll be checking out, we'll be checking out for multi-chain. We'll be checking out for mask, right? And if we check out the price of mask currently right now, we can actually see that the price of mask is 24.21. I actually know that mask is going to get a down movement, which we can actually see a reversal later in the price. So when this reversal comes, I'm actually sell off my coin. So still waiting for the next movement. I'm still waiting for the next movement before I can actually set up my coin for actually wait for the downfall before I can actually buy more of these coins, right? You can see that Bitcoin right now is affecting other coins. The price of Bitcoin is affecting other coins in the market. When Bitcoin falls, you actually know that almost all of the coins in the market is about to fall. And this is the movement, this is what I'm seeing in the market very far now, right? So I will still be buying more of any coins that keep on dipping, right? Any coins that keep on going down, I'll still be buying more of this, right? So why should I buy more of max, right? If we check out the 3 days time frame, we can actually see that this coin is about to test back to its price, right? So this is what I'm seeing. We are actually seeing the yellow line start going down, and it's actually going to retest. And when you see this retest movement, we can actually see mass on the bullish sign in the market. This can happen in a few weeks coming. So that's why I have the potential, mass have the potential to actually boost in the market, right? So stay up today, guys. This is all I have for you, and we're talking about WorldCoin, right? Let's talk about WorldCoin and what WorldCoin is currently creating around in the market. The reason why I said this coin, right? We can actually see a down movement that is coming up on WorldCoin that makes the price very bearish, and this coin can be affected by the price, right? And anytime we see this coming, we can actually see that the yellow line is going to be at this moment. And once the yellow line comes to this moment, we can actually see that the pink line can be above this place. So let us be checking out what crypto have for us more on this week. Let us be watching what crypto have for us on this week. But I may actually say we might experience a bearish sign in the crypto market. On what I'm seeing so far, we may experience a very bearish market on crypto. That's why all my trade on future trading, I have short it. Okay, I have short it. All my trade on crypto market is on short. So guys, stay tuned. This is what I have for you. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, do not subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next video.